Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me again, Kabibes TV. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swim freestyle, side breathing, left and right. And at the same time, I'm going to teach you also how to do bilateral side breathing. Okay? So, how to do it? I will show you. Okay, so when you're going to do freestyle side breathing, the number one thing that you have to do it is you have to blow from your nose. Because if you're not blowing on your nose, then when the water comes on your nose, it really hurts, you know. So, I will show you how to breathe on my left side, going this side. Okay, and then when I'm coming back, I will show you how to breathe on my right side. Okay, so it's like this. How to do it? I have to push from here on the wall. I have to do the glide. Then I have to add with the kicking, and then I start breathing on my left side. So I will use only single arm. Okay, freestyle. Okay, watch.
Hold my breath, looking up. Life moves in ways that keeps changing. Catch a glimpse of what was you and me. It's gone again. Sinking in, back on my shore. One foot in front of the other. Close my eyes and feel you hold my hand just like you used to. These hopes dance high like sparks before they go out.
Okay, so I already show you how to breathe on my left side. So this time, I'm going to show you how to breathe on my right side. It's the same method. So start first with push and glide, kicking, and then add with full breathing on the side with single arm right. Okay? Watch.
Lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. I know I'm floating on this stream, but soon comes morning. For now I'll embrace a wondrous sea.
Okay? So, after you learn single arm stroke from the left and the right, then you should learn how to do it on alternate. Breathing on the left, then breathing on the right. Okay? So, the same timing. The first thing that you need to remember is to know how to learn blab. What is blab? This is all about body, legs, arm, breathing, timing. So, when you talk about the body, this is about body position, body balance, and body rotation. So when you know how to learn body position, then you have to learn how to do kicking properly. And then when you know how to kick properly, then you have to proceed to your arm, which is front crawl. And then when you learn how to do front crawl, then you do side breathing. Then after you learn side breathing, then you have to add with the timing, coordination for all strokes. Okay? So now I'm going to show you how to do it breathing on the left and right alternate. Okay? Please watch.
Somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow? Drop in the ocean so endless. Reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one. Dive into all this endless space.
Okay? So, as you can see, I'm doing breathing on my right and my left. So, when you know how to do breathing on the left and right, then you have to swim on doubles. So, you have to do it alternate. Start from the left, and then be patient of your arms, and then breathing on the right side. Okay? So, I will show you how to do it like this.
Hold my breath, looking up. ways it keeps changing. Catch a glimpse of what was you and me. It's gone again. Sinking in, back on the shore. One foot in front of the other. Close my eyes and feel you.
Okay, so since you know how to breathe on the left, and then you have to do it also on the other side. So you start first on the right without breathing, and then full breathe on the left side. So it's just opposite of what I'm doing the first one. Okay, so this is it. Same.
To all this endless space, falling stars. Still I see you, sweet escape, a lovely start. Letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. I know I'm floating.
Okay, so when you know how to breathe, every 2 strokes, then you have to do this time a bilateral breathing. So how to do bilateral breathing? All you have to do is you have to count up to 3 strokes. So every 3rd strokes, you have to breathe on your side. Okay? So this is it. How to do it? Same thing. Push and glide. Start the strokes. Counting. Bilateral. Okay?
Space, falling stars. Still I see you, sweet escape, lovely start. Letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue.
Okay? So when you know how to swim, front crawl. Okay? Bilateral breathing. Then that's the time you have to swim fast. Okay? So you have to swim fast. Freestyle. Any strokes you want. Sorry. Any count side breathing you want. Okay? So, okay? Watch.
Deep within, here we go.
Okay?
Somehow I'm
So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you to my next vlog. Bye!
Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean so endless. Reaching for our moments by